Today we're going to be cooking from the Complete Cookbook for Young Chefs, which you can find at the public library. We are going to be making delicious pesto flatbread pizza. The ingredients you'll need today are cheese, tomatoes, olive oil, pesto, and naan, N-A-A-N. We're going to start by preparing our ingredients. Go ahead and chop up all of your grape tomatoes, or cherry tomatoes if you prefer. Next up, set them aside. We'll use them again very soon. Now let's prepare our surface. We're going to use some olive oil and lightly grease the pan that we'll be baking our pizza on. I've got a small toaster oven pan since that's what I'm using today. Set your naan on top and then grab your pesto. Make sure to take a big sniff. It smells so good. Get some big spoonfuls and spread it all over the surface of your naan, leaving a little bit of crust on the edge, just like with a traditional pizza. I like to use probably a little more pesto than you think is necessary. Next up is our mozzarella cheese. You can use plenty on this pizza. Then our tomatoes. You can also use whatever favorite pizza toppings you prefer. Maybe some olives. Time to bake. Set your oven to 400 degrees and bake for about 10 minutes. Ta-da! Oh, yum! It's going to fill your home with delicious smells. Now that it's all cooked, it's time to cut. You can use a pizza cutter, or if you don't have one, a knife will do just fine. I'm only going to cut mine into quarters. That's 4 pieces. Because this is a personal pizza. I'm going to eat the whole thing myself. Go ahead and grab your slice and take a bite. What do you think? Be sure to tell us in the comments what you think of today's recipe.